You end up recognizing your limitations. Every one of us, when we started off in business, we were jack of all trades, right? We were the service advisors, we were the technicians, we were the bookkeeper. Hell, I was even the janitor. But for the business to grow, I had to realize that I cannot do it all myself. I have to hire people. Often we start off with hiring the wrong people. And the reason why that is there's really no clarity on who we want to hire. You need to really think about who is it that I'm looking for. Often you may place an ad, I want a specific technician, or I'm looking for a service advisor, without really any clarity on very specifically who am I looking for. So you got to get that right first. I think everybody, in terms of technicians across the industry, people struggle finding techs. How often do we hear that, Ron, where somebody needs a technician and they're constantly complaining that they're short a tech, I need a tech, I need an A tech, I need a B tech, I need a C tech. The problem's not going away. The better you can master people, recognizing your limitations, strategic hiring, effective recruiting. As we go on through the course, we will share some resources with you and some processes to find the right people. And here's a little spoiler. Some of this is looking from the technician's eyes. I often see an ad and it's like, I want. But what does the technician want? So when you think about writing an ad or creating an online post for trying to attract somebody, I want you to look through their eyes. If you were a technician, remember back, what are the things that you're looking for? Job security. What does this place offer to me? Is there a career path? Education. What about the culture in a shop? I think that that's huge. I find most people don't quit the job. They actually quit the boss. They've got a lousy boss. And that's really what comes into the leadership side and the retention side. How do I keep those employees once we have them?